Today, I'm going to share with you 3 distinct ways to teach creative dance to the child. Each approach and methodology uses a different language and has different benefits. I love using all 3 techniques for every age group I teach. The first technique is called imitation. This approach is dance teacher centered. Sometimes dancers may also be the leaders. The movement is done by learning the dance, then copying it. At the beginning of each episode of MOSI Moo, Belle lays down a dance motif and MOSI follows. My Magic Wand and Castle and Dragon Dance Adventure is a good example of this. When using the imitation technique as a teacher, your wording is something like this: my turn, your turn, follow me, copy me. Dance activities that repeat or echo or copy are also part of the imitation. The benefits of this approach is that it truly generates a sense of unity. It also builds a dance vocabulary for the dancers.